Okay, let's dive into how AI can help you make high-quality videos 10 times faster. And this isn't about AI slop. It's a specific workflow the biggest creators are using right now. Truth is, AI can handle about 80% of the really manual work in video production. So this new process, it takes you from a blank screen to a finished video in just a few hours. We'll go in the exact order you'd follow when creating a video for your business.
Yeah, the biggest struggle is finding the right topics and titles. So let's solve that first. The secret sauce here is using Agent Mode. It lets the AI research what people are actually searching for. First, you gotta prime it with key details about your business to get relevant results. Here's a tip. Ask for 2-column output, one for the topic and one for that clickable title. Now what's really cool is how AI can tackle your thumbnail, basically your video's billboard.
We really recommend a tool called Pixels because it's trained specifically for creating winning thumbnails.
Right, this is about applying data-backed design, not plagiarism. It's just a smart growth strategy.
See? You're just borrowing that proven structure. All the key content is still uniquely yours. Okay, so you probably already know about 70% of what you want to say. AI can find the rest.
Just brain dump your ideas and then ask it to fill in all the gaps with solid research.
Okay, let's create a custom AI agent that writes in your voice every single time.
Yeah, this means making your own custom GPT or Claude project. It's just a few simple steps.
This agent will give you a solid first draft that's like 85% done. You just add the final polish.
All right, let's move to the final workflow. This one will put your videos way ahead of the competition.
So you can create custom B-roll starring you, speaking on stage, working with a client, you name.
And this really hits the key point. This is all about augmenting what you do, not replacing you.
So the crucial thing here is that this whole new workflow frees you from all that tedious manual work. Now your time is spent on what actually matters, your ideas, your stories, your unique expertise. This new reality opens up some incredible creative possibilities. So the only question left is, what will you do with it?